In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an annual plan in Monday.com. We'll start right from the homepage and set up a clean, structured board you can use to plan your year with clarity. First, open your Monday.com homepage so you're on your main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access everything you're working on. From here, look to the left-hand side and choose Workspaces. Workspaces help you keep different departments, teams, or initiatives organized, so pick the workspace where your annual plan should live. If you're unsure, use the one your team already uses for strategy or planning. Inside that workspace, click the plus sign to create something new. You'll see options for different item types. Hover over Board. Boards are the best format for structured plans because they support groups, columns, views, automations, and reporting. When the options expand, select Start with Template. Templates save time and come with ready-made columns and examples you can tweak instead of building everything from scratch. You'll land in the Template Center where you can browse all templates. Take a moment to scan the categories if you want inspiration. Strategy, goals, project plans, and similar areas are especially relevant for annual planning. Next, use the search bar and type Year Plan. This narrows the results to planning templates designed for time-based goals. From the results, choose the 5-year plan template as our example. Even though it's set up for multiple years, it's perfect for an annual plan because it already organizes goals by year and time frame, which you can focus on for the current year. Click into the template to preview its structure and make sure it fits your style and level of detail. When you're ready, click Use Template. If prompted, confirm the workspace where you want it added. Monday.com will create the board for you in a few seconds and open it automatically. Now it's time to make your edits. Start by renaming the board to something like Annual Plan in the current year. Review the groups and keep only the current year if that's all you need. You can archive or hide the rest. Replace the example goals with your real objectives and use the status, owner, and timeline or date columns to define who's responsible and when milestones should land. Add quarterly groupings if you prefer to break the year into Q1 through Q4, and use tags or labels to categorize by department or theme. Adjust columns to match your workflow, such as priority, budget, or KPIs, and remove anything that's not useful. Finally, switch to views like Gantt or Calendar if they help you visualize the year more clearly. That's it, your annual plan is ready to use and track throughout the year.